Hey everyone, welcome back. I just wanted to share the latest updates for my Etsy store, new products for July. Now every month I do a different rotation of scents. I do have 4 that stay in my shop at all times, and that is my lavender smell, my lilac one, my coconut breeze, and then my unscented. Those stay in the store. However, each month I rotate the scents out and I try to keep with the theme of the month. July is summery, so I think of like summery scents. And then also every month there is a limited edition scent. So if you're new to my shop, I'm going to just really quickly explain how it works. The limited edition scents, which for example this month, because for me, July is barbecue month, and I swear we don't go to a barbecue here in the US without watermelon. So I just felt like I had to include watermelon. So that is the limited edition scent for this month. You'll see it as its own listing. It won't be offered with my regular putties and waxes. And how these work is once they sell out for the month, they're sold out. Now, if they're popular or they do really well or sell out quickly, then I'll put it into the rotation. It's basically a really fun flavor, not flavor because it's not edible, scent that I just like to try out and, have some fun with. And if it like catches on, then yeah, it'll show up in the rotation again. So like June's limited edition was cotton candy. That one sold out really fast. In fact, I broke my own rule because it had sold out 2 weeks into the month. So I was like, oh, okay, I'm going to make some more. So I did one more batch of that one and then it sold out. I am going to bring cotton candy back. I don't know if it'll be this year. Maybe, we'll see. But like I said, I got to stick to kind of a theme. Okay, so the limited edition scent of the month is Watermelon Whirl. Again, these are in their own listing. You can either buy the putty or the wax, or you can buy them together and you get a slight little discount from bundling them. Also, I made some wax melts for the Watermelon Whirl. I was playing around with the colors and I couldn't decide what I liked better, the pink or the red. So some have pink, some have red. However, on the backs, you'll see some green, and in this one, red and pink swirled through. So they're really fun, and they smell so refreshing. It kind of reminds me of like a Jolly Rancher watermelon. It's really fruity, really fun. So those are the limited edition ones. I also have this cute little sticker. There was only a couple in the store, and of course all this is live as of today when this is posting. So you'll want to grab one, but it just says, unleash your juicy creativity. It's just so cute. The reason for those stickers I will get to in a minute. Okay, so the new scents that will be there for this month, I don't think any of June scents are left. I think they finally all sold out. I could be wrong, but last I checked, I thought they were all gone. So I'm actually bringing you guys quite a few because I couldn't decide. So these will all be available in the putty form and wax. The waxes are in their own listing and then the putties are in their own listing. But the scents that we have, Cherrylicious, I brought back. This wasn't limited edition. It was just a new scent I released in June. However, it was very popular, sold very quickly, so I have decided to include it in the July scents. Then we have Jamocha, which basically smells like a mocha latte. So you get a lot of hints of coffee, or espresso I should say, a tiny bit of vanilla, and then you get a nice little chocolatey finish. Then I have Cool Melonade. Now this is cucumber melon, basically. I just wanted to have a cuter name. But it's very light and refreshing to smell, to be honest. Another one I have added is Coconut Lime Verbena. This one I really like. It's one of my favorite smells. It's not overpowering with the coconut. It's actually just perfectly balanced. It's fruity, it's got some floral notes, but yeah, I like it. Then, if anyone has a sweet tooth, I have added strawberry shortcake. So this is really luscious. It has like a nice fun strawberry, and you get a few different berry scents, as well as pear, vanilla, and just like, I don't know, it's so sugary smelling, but in a good way. So that one's in there. And then we have the Lily Lullaby. So this has a kind of a scent of lily of the valley mixed with a little bit of Tahitian vanilla, because it's so soothing and relaxing. So we've got something for everyone. I mean, you want a jolt of espresso while you're diamond painting, you want to be like more tropical, or you know, fruity and stuff, you can stick there. If you want like something that just reminds you of your favorite treats, go with those. Relaxing right there. And then of course they come in the putties, and then all of these scents also are added to my wax melts, which are these things here. So these are now also available in the wax melts. You can just go over to the aromatherapy wax melt listing and purchase those if you want. Now, the best for last. I am starting each month. There will be a limited number of these diamond painting accessory kits, we'll call them. So they will feature the scent of the month and then a few little goodies, and each month it's going to change on the theme. Well, this month is watermelon, so it'll come in this cute little box. And then let me show you everything that you will get. Now, there will only be 10 of these this month. Depending on how it goes, I'll increase it next month. And also in September, starting in September's boxes, because this will be a monthly thing, I have custom printed trays from another provider on Etsy. She and I have worked out a deal. So we have some really cute trays coming for the September box, so keep an eye out for that. But basically, starting from September on, you'll be getting a bunch of goodies all themed for that month. So this month, you'll get a diamond painting pen that's all fruity and summery, along with a ton of tips. You will get a set of the Watermelon Whirl Putty and Watermelon Whirl sticky wax. You'll get a kind of tropical beachy themed washi tape. The patterns will change, so not everyone will get this exact one, but they're pretty close to one another. You'll get your own cute sticker. That's why the sticker's there. And you will get some Watermelon Whirl wax melts so that you can sit there and just live in watermelon land. So that will be the kit for this month. Again, there is only 10 of these. So once they sell out, they are gone. Next month, I will increase the amount. Next month will also include cover minders. So I'll be adding cover minders to all of this. And then in September, on top of it, we'll be adding the trays. So then from there on out, every month you will get a putty and wax that is the limited edition scent for that month. You'll get a diamond painting pen that matches the theme. You'll get a fun little sticker, because why not? You'll get a roll of washi tape. You'll get the wax melts. You'll get the cover minder and the trays as we progress into those. So the trays start in September. Cover minders may not be every month. That will just kind of depend, but I do know that next month's box I have already planned out a cover minder. So yeah, that is the update for the store. These are not available on sale. Like, you'll notice if I'm running sales, these are not in a sale, but that is because this entire box, if you were to buy these in my store separately, would already cost you more, and you're getting a discounted price for purchasing them as the kit as one. So they won't be up for any of the sales. Just keep that one in mind. But I want to say thank you to all of you for supporting my store, and those of you who have purchased and left reviews. I really appreciate that. So many of you have been so kind to leave me 5-star reviews, which one lets me know I'm doing something right, and two, it really helps my store grow. So that is the update. I will leave a link in the description below to my Etsy store. Just keep in mind, you can get wax melts in just about any scent. I have quite a few on there. Gosh, I think I have like over 24 now. And then yeah, we have the scents for July, and then the limited edition scent until that one sells out. And it's gonna sell out quick because this one smells so good. Now the amount that is in the store for these is not including what's in the boxes. These have already been created. These boxes are ready to ship out, so don't worry about that. But yeah, once these sell out, they're gone, and then we'll see. But it's kind of like with the cotton candy. I hope you guys enjoy. Hope if you do get some watermelon, you enjoy it as much as I do. I actually have this in my wax warmer right now, and it's like, it just smells like summer. But all right, until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.